It's Easter and today I'm painting some little bunnies. This was actually requested by one of you a few days ago, so I thought it would be a fun one to do too. Let's start with sketching first. I'm using a layout paper, it's like semi-transparent paper, to draw the motif with a graphite pencil. And then I will trace it onto my watercolor paper just to keep the surface clean. And you can also use baking paper for this if you don't have the layout paper. Painting animals isn't really my usual thing, so I thought this would be a fun little challenge. To make things easier, I like to start by breaking the motif into simple shapes and then slowly refine it. For this one, for example, I'm starting with an egg shape for the head and a slightly bigger circle for the body. Once I'm done with the sketch, I flip the paper and trace over to transfer the graphite onto my watercolor paper. If you're trying this, just make sure you have applied a bit more graphite when sketching. That helps the lines transfer more easily. At this point, I realized I wanted the bunny to look to the right, so it feels like the two bunnies are looking at each other. But I completely forgot that when you flip the sketch, it actually reversed the direction. So the bunny ended up looking the opposite way. And I had to go back, add graphite to the other side as well, and transfer it again. Now I have graphite on both sides, which means it's easy to flip and use this sketch either way. Now I'm happy with the sketch, so it's time to start painting. For the first layer, I'm working wet on wet, meaning I wet the area with a clean brush and then going very lightly with some brown. I'm only adding color in a few areas and leaving some white spots to keep it soft. Then I let this layer dry before coming back in to refine the shapes and add some contrast and shadows. So now I want to bring in a bit of that spring feeling. So I'm adding some light greens and tiny spring flowers. I'm placing the bunnies inside the soft floral frames to make everything feel a bit more alive and seasonal. The pencil I'm using here is a watercolor pencil, which means the pigment will reactivate when I go over it with a wet brush. I found that this really helps with precision, especially when working on small, delicate details. And as I'm painting this, I really love the overall feeling it's starting to have. It reminds me a bit of those vintage fairy tale style watercolor illustrations with all the soft colors and delicate little details. There's something very calm and nostalgic about it. This also fits really nicely with last month's creative theme, Spring Whispers. I've been exploring that idea throughout March, and these little bunnies felt like a perfect addition to that world. And honestly, it was just really fun to paint something a bit different. I don't usually paint animals, so this felt like a small shift in a good way. In my next video, I will share more about how I worked with the theme throughout the month and the different directions it took. I hope this video brought you a bit of calm and inspiration. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video. It really helps support the channel. I've also shared another one for YouTube members and Patreons where I paint these three small cards with daffodils, tulips, and bunnies. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. And if you try these, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your versions.